close to God, man or woman. You know? And that's the only answer I had. I said, yo, the closer we move to God, the better men we become, the better women we become, and the better women y'all become. Let me rephrase that. But you know, it's important that we keep God close to us during these times. It's so crazy in the world right now. And the closer we move to God, the brighter our light is. Because we all got light. We all got light to contribute to this world. And you know, I've been asking, man, you know, what you gonna do to change the world? Man, I think the only way I can change the world is first changing the way I think, the way I speak, the way I act towards others. You know, the more I do that, the more I start loving myself, the more I start loving others. And that's how we change the world. We can't wait on no president to change the world. We can't wait on the government. You can't wait on no preacher to change the world. The world starts changing when you start changing the way you act, speak, and think. Because this world is yours to change. This world is yours to change. This world is yours to change. Yeah. It's your world. Your world. Yeah, your world. It's 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 your world. Night blows, snows don't work. Those that work, the warriors, so I'm going.